Okay, finding perpendicular height or altitude of a triangle using coordinate plane or yung analytic geometry. Perpendicular height or altitude of the triangle using vertices. So, ito yung analytic geometry type. Hindi ito yung angle type o yung trigonometry type. Ito yung analytic geometry type na vertices yung gagamitin. So, kapag pareho sila ng y-coordinate, ibig sabihin, they lie on the same vertical line. So, ibig sabihin, kapag parehong number yung y-coordinate ng given points, vertical line yung base. O vertical line siya, usually. So, kung vertical line yun, ang kukunin mo na lang is yung difference nung hindi magkapareho.
Hindi arthritis?
No, halimbawa yung base. Kung pareho yung y-coordinate nila, so 6 minus 1, 5. Absolute value.
Ayun ang malaman.
Diba? And then yung height is from A to the line. Line from yung vertex A, yung line. Vertex ng triangle at saka yung line. Yung nakuha mong horizontal line. Kukunin mo yung difference nila. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So, yun pag horizontal at vertical base. So, ibig sabihin, magkapareho yung y-coordinate o yung x-coordinate. Paano pag hindi magkapareho naman? Doon na papasok yung points law form. Okay? Yun na yung pagpasok ng points law form at saka slope at saka yung distance from a point to a line. So, yun yung natutunan natin sa analytic geometry. Kasi nga sa akin, pag sinabi mong trigonometry, anything about the triangles. Hindi lang yung sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, at saka cotangent. Hindi lang yun. Anything about the triangle, including its vertices. So, nasa trigo pa rin tayo. Kaso, yung ibang aspect naman ng trigonometry, hindi lang angles. Vertices naman siya. So, ito yung nakuha natin sa internet. Slope, points law form. Ayan yung points law form. Yung y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So, ayan.
Nasatisfy na naman si Taba.
So, dinistribute mo, di ba? Yung denominator, pupunta mo sa y, then yung x, i-multiply mo doon sa kabila. Distribute mo doon sa kabila. Distributive property. Then, using yung third vertex, gagamitin mo na yung distance between a point to a line. So, yan. So, yung nakuha natin, 29 over 5 or 5.8 units. Dito naman nakuha natin 6.65 units. Diba, given yan, di ba? A is 3, B is 2, C is 19.
Naiinip sa bahay. Sabi mo may trabaho ka, tsaka may lakad.
So, yun lang yun. Finding the perpendicular height using vertices, both vertical and non-vertical bases. Both vertical and horizontal bases and non-vertical and non-horizontal bases. So, yun. Maganda't na-explore natin ulit at na-review natin. A sort of a review sa analytic geometry. So, yun lang po.